I eat strawberries when I'm around. I'm walking around and, oh, there goes a strawberry. Easy to identify. Depending on where it's at, it's probably watered, and I'll just eat it right there. So, um, yeah, this is what we're doing in permaculture today. Here I have a bunch of strawberries that, when taken back other areas, weeding, it's early season, right? A lot of these, obviously, some of them are putting out flowers, as you can see. That's a ground, hold on, that's a ground ivy. Um, I would like to move these things around, because it's actually saving and spreading the strawberry. Because if I don't do it, they're going to do too much competing where they were, or maybe I don't want it there and I leave it alone, and I'll probably end up mowing these down, and they won't die, but they won't be putting out strawberries. So this morning I was walking around and I ended up going past that raspberry patch, and I'm a little behind in having a border so I could put proper mulch inside, but it's doing decent. It's actually really doing decent. And I started looking at the ground and I said, wow, what an opportunity for ground cover. Then I thought to myself, what about the strawberries that I don't know what to do with and I move around? So that's the plan now. So I have this tub of water, and I keep it outside. It's essentially rainwater and whatever I pour in here. And I'm just going to keep these things nice and moist until I put them in. I'm probably going to do this today, but for now, they should be pretty happy in there. And now for the separation or the count. So I'm going to just separate and probably sort them. See, like this one, we know this is more than one. Let's see what we got here. So we got one. You kind of just feel it. Try to take some roots with it. Two. That was some other stuff. So I'm just sorting them so I know what I'm dealing with, and they all could go in the situation. So here we go, another one. So one, other stuff. Soak them in. I just capped them in water. So they're kind of moist. I don't usually have like getting this muddy, but look at this one. One, that looks like a ground ivy, grass, strawberry. Strawberry and strawberry. Okay, dump this out. Now we can do a count here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's hurry time. Okay, so I kind of laid out. Got 4, 4, and 4, and then I'm gonna give a nice one and put it on my wife's section. So nothing hard here. I'm just gonna put them in. That's all. 12 inches. I'm just going with 12 inches apart. I don't know how they're gonna do. Maybe I'll bring over some garden soil. I don't know. And for there. And for there. I thought it over, and green is dead. Till I changed my mind, the color's red. So the strawberries, I've had people that I've given strawberries to, and you know they kind of pamper these plants. This is like a no pamper needed. They'll bounce back. I mean, these are perennials. Never had an issue if they have enough space and enough sun. They're not super critical about the soil. I don't understand. I mean, I think people are doing too much. Sometimes you don't realize that these things will just grow on without us. And yeah, I could go to the store and get a new species of strawberries. I don't even know what these are, but I eat strawberries when I'm around. I'm walking around and oh, there goes a strawberry. Easy to identify.